Hello folks, it's your boy Mohammed Yusuf once again. Before I begin to give the full breakdown of this analysis, I would like you guys to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share this share my videos to your friends and families. Thank you. So let me begin the full breakdown of this analysis. So when I came to my chart this morning, I marked out my Asian range. That is the Asian high, Asian low, and Asian close. So I marked them out. As you all know, I said the red painted place. Let me erase this. The red painted place is the Asian range. So as I marked my Asian range, I saw that price was actually consolidating like this. You see, price was consolidating, and I thought that price would expand and sweep this Asian high and sell. But price didn't do that. It did the opposite, whereby as I was taught by my mentor, when price consolidates like this, it leads to expansion, then retracement, then expansion. So this is just a rough sketch. Then expansion again. So as you can see, as price consolidating in this place at this level, price expand to the downside. So as it expands to the downside, you can see that price actually went to target the Asian low as usual. Price is always after liquidity. Have this in mind. The market always targets liquidity. It's liquidity that drives the market. So for example, if you want to drive a car, you must make sure you have fuel. If you don't have fuel, your car can never move. That same thing goes for the market. So as I saw that, I even just set an alarm at Asian high, Asian low. So I got an alarm by 8:30, 8:20 because I went to do something, then came back. So as price was Asian low, I switched to my 1 minute time frame. Normally I do trade the 1 minute time frame. I do trade it, but you have to be wise and smart before you are able to trade the 1 minute time frame. So as I switched to my 1 minute time frame, I saw that there was actually a trend line liquidity here. As you can see, a trend line liquidity. I normally use the line graph to draw out my trend line liquidity. So there was a trend line liquidity here. I marked it out. And next, what the price did? Let me switch it to the candlestick chart. Price actually broke out of the trend line, retested previous weekly high, which was already swept. As I said, highs and low are support and resistance level, then expand. So as you can see, the retracement of the trend line happened on previous weekly high, and that previous weekly high, it was a bearish candle that closed below, as you can see it, before the expansion. Then I switched down to my EURUSD chart. On EURUSD chart, I already marked out the Asian range, as I said. So I was checking it out with the higher time frame. And already we can see on EURUSD, price has already swept the Asian low. And I always said, even during my previous video, I said that DXY gives me more confidence to take a trade. So and you saw that on DXY price swept, price was ranging too. It went to target the Asian low. So as you can see, price was consolidating, then it retraced. It expand. It retraced to the downside. Then expand. So consolidation leads to expansion or retracement, then expansion, then consolidation again. That's how it happened. That's how price moves. Price moves from consolidation to expansion to retracement, then expansion, then maybe retracement again. That's how price moves. So I then saw that, okay, there was a 4-hour high here. If you switch to the 4-hour candle, 4-hour chart, there was a 4-hour high here, whereby the 4-hour high was swept by this candle. You can see it, and this is the 4-hour high. That's the 4-hour high. Then I immediately switched to my 1-minute time frame and saw the actual similar thing I saw on DXY, which was a little bit opposite to it. Since I was trading the London session, you can see I marked out the trend line here. Then price went ahead to sweep the 4-hour high and use the daily open as resistance. You can see resistance. The candles were closing below, not above. They were closing below, not above. So as they were closing below, I waited for breakout from the trend line. As you can see, when there was a breakout, there was a retest on the trend line. You see, immediately this is my entry. This was my invalidation, and also I targeted for a 3.03 risk to reward. But actually, you know the market, it gives more. Sometimes it gave about 10 RR, but for me, my risk to reward model is 3R. So please guys, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video, and also share to your friends and family. Thank you. You guys have a nice day. We'll meet next week, inshallah.